30 Amazon kitchen gadgets you must have in 2025. And as always, links are in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's start with jar opener. The electric jar opener. Have you ever struggled with opening a stubborn jar? The electric jar opener takes the frustration out of opening jars by doing all the hard work for you. With just the press of a button, it automatically opens jars of all sizes. It's a great tool for people with limited hand strength or anyone who just wants to make opening jars easier. Say goodbye to twisting and say hello to convenience. Cup slicers. If you're looking to slice fruits and veggies quickly and evenly, the 2-pack cup slicers are a must-have. These slicers allow you to cut through apples, tomatoes, and other fruits with ease, saving you time during meal prep. They come in a convenient 2-pack, so you can have one for fruits and one for vegetables. The blades are sharp and precise, ensuring you get perfectly sliced pieces every time. It's an easy tool that cuts down on the effort it takes to prep ingredients for your dishes. Fridge storage dividers. Keeping your fridge organized can be a real challenge, but with the fridge storage dividers, everything will have its place. These dividers make it so easy to separate different items in your fridge, like vegetables, fruits, and dairy, all in one corn cob tool. Next up, the all-in-one corn cob tool. If you love fresh corn on the cob, this tool is a must-have. It makes removing kernels a breeze, so you won't have to struggle with a knife or make a mess. This tool is so easy to use, and it saves you time and effort when preparing corn. Portable stove pot. For those who love cooking outside or traveling, the portable stove pot is perfect. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, making it the ideal companion for camping trips or tailgates. With this pot, you can cook your favorite meals anywhere, whether you're at a campsite or just in your backyard. Portable water pump. Here's a cool one. The portable water pump. If you're tired of lifting heavy water bottles, this gadget will make your life so much easier. Simply attach it to your water bottle and it pumps out water with ease. You can take it anywhere, whether you're at home, camping, or at work. It's lightweight, easy to use, and makes getting water effortless. Kitchen counter gap cover. Isn't it annoying when crumbs and food fall between the gap between your counter and stove? The kitchen counter gap cover solves this problem with ease. Simply place it in the gap, and it catches any food, crumbs, or spills. It's a small, simple addition to your kitchen, but it will make a huge difference in keeping your counters clean and tidy. Pack toothpick dispenser. Here's something you didn't know you needed. The 2-pack toothpick dispenser. This dispenser keeps your toothpicks neat and easy to grab. No more scattering toothpicks all over your kitchen or trying to find them when you need one. Just slide the dispenser and grab a toothpick. It's that easy. Garlic mincer. Garlic is a must-have in any kitchen, but mincing it can be such a hassle, right? Well, the garlic mincer with wiper blade is here to solve that problem. This tool quickly and easily minces garlic, and the wiper blade ensures you don't waste a single clove. Just place the garlic in the mincer, squeeze the handles, and out comes perfectly minced garlic. Plus, cleaning up is a breeze, as the wiper blade helps scrape off any leftover bits. It's a fantastic time saver, and it'll have you cooking with garlic in no time. Jar condiment fork. Next, we have the jar condiment fork. This simple yet genius tool makes accessing your favorite condiments so much easier, whether you're using mayonnaise, mustard, or relish. This fork allows you to scoop out the perfect amount from deep jars without getting your hands dirty. It's especially helpful for jars with narrow openings, where it's hard to reach the last bit of the condiment. With the jar condiment fork, you can enjoy your sauces without the mess. It's a small tool, but makes a big difference in keeping your kitchen neat. Chip bag sealer. If you're like me and can never finish a full bag of chips, then you need the chip bag sealer. This simple yet brilliant tool is designed to keep your snacks fresh for longer. It's so easy to use. Just clip it onto your chip bag, and it seals it tight, keeping air out and your snacks crisp. No more stale chips. The chip bag sealer is a must-have for anyone who loves snacks and wants to keep them fresh until the next time you're ready to enjoy them. Collapsible measuring cups. Measuring ingredients just got more convenient with the collapsible measuring cups. These cups collapse to save space in your kitchen drawers, making it easy to store them without taking up much room. They're perfect for anyone who is tight on space, but still wants to keep their kitchen well stocked with the essentials. The collapsible measuring cups are also dishwasher safe, so cleanup is quick and easy. It's a simple design that makes your cooking and baking experiences much more enjoyable. Quick Pepper Corer. Here's a must-have for anyone who loves cooking with peppers. The Quick Pepper Corer. This handy tool makes removing the seeds and core from peppers a simple task. No more struggling with a knife to get rid of the seeds or dealing with the mess. Just insert the Quick Pepper Corer into your pepper, twist, and voila! The core is removed in seconds, whether you're making stuffed peppers, salads, or just adding some spice to your dish. This tool makes prepping peppers so much easier. Jar with Flip Strainer. Now, let's talk about the jar with Flip Strainer if you like to store liquids or drain fruits and vegetables. This is the perfect jar for you. The jar with Flip Strainer allows you to easily strain out excess liquids without having to transfer your food to a different container. You can use it for draining pasta, washing fruits, or even straining vegetables. The flip top lid makes it simple to drain or pour, keeping your kitchen mess-free. This jar is a true multitasker in the kitchen. Butter stick holder and spreader. Next, we have the butter stick holder and spreader. If you love spreading butter on your toast or baked goods, then you'll love this. The butter stick holder lets you store your butter in stick form, making it easier to slice and spread. It's perfect for when you want to evenly spread butter without it being too cold or messy. This gadget is designed to help you save time while also keeping your butter neat and organized. It's a simple yet effective tool for anyone who loves butter. Egg separator. Separating egg whites and yolks can be messy and tricky, but not anymore with the egg separator. This simple tool lets you quickly separate the yolk from the egg whites with no mess. It's perfect for baking, cooking, or making healthy meals like egg whites omelets. The egg separator makes the whole process fast and clean, so you can focus on your cooking instead of worrying about eggshells or messes. Electric lunchbox. Say hello to the electric lunchbox. If you're tired of cold lunches at work or school, this gadget will change your lunchtime game. The electric lunchbox lets you heat your food on the go. Just plug it in, and within minutes, your lunch is warm and ready to eat, whether you're bringing leftovers or prepping a fresh meal. This lunchbox is perfect for anyone who wants a hot meal wherever they are. It's compact, easy to use, and will save you time and money by letting you bring homemade meals with you. Folding bench scraper. Another great product is a folding bench scraper. This is a super versatile tool for anyone who bakes or works with dough. The folding bench scraper helps you chop, scoop, and divide dough without making a mess. The folding design makes it compact for storage, so it doesn't take up much space in your kitchen. Pro Knife Sharpener. A sharp knife is key to a great cooking experience, and the Pro Knife Sharpener makes it easy to keep all your knives in top condition. If you've ever struggled with dull knives, you know how frustrating it can be to cut through vegetables or meat. This sharpener works quickly and efficiently, restoring your knives to their sharpest state in just a few strokes. Regular store cart bags. On the other hand, if you're just doing regular grocery shopping, the regular store cart bags are perfect for you. These bags are designed to fit the typical shopping carts you find at grocery stores. They help organize your items, so you don't have to juggle them in your arms or rely on flimsy plastic bags. They're reusable, environmentally friendly, and perfect for keeping your groceries in order. Airtight lid set. Let's move on to the airtight lid set. We all hate it when leftovers go bad too quickly. With these airtight lids, you can store your food and keep it fresh for much longer. The lids fit tightly on jars and containers, sealing them off from air and moisture that can make your food spoil faster, whether you're storing leftovers or dry goods. This set is a must-have for keeping your food fresh and your pantry organized. Plus, you won't have to deal with spills or leaks in your fridge. Couch console tray. Next, we've got the couch console tray. This one is an absolute game changer for anyone who enjoys relaxing on the couch with snacks, drinks, or even your phone. The couch console tray fits perfectly between your cushions, giving you a space to store your drinks, snacks, and remote controls without any mess. No more getting up to grab your drink or snack. You'll have everything right at your fingertips. It's perfect for movie nights or just kicking back and relaxing after a long day. Drying racks. Do you ever feel like your kitchen counter is just one big mess of drying dishes? The drying racks are here to help you organize and dry your dishes without the clutter. These racks provide a designated space for all your plates, cups, and pots to air dry. Whether you're washing dishes by hand or just need a place to let things dry, these racks keep everything neat and organized. Plus, they're easy to clean and store when not in use. No more piles of dishes all over your counter. Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer. If you love to store your food for longer shelf life, the Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer is something you definitely need. This tool creates an airtight seal on mason jars, keeping your food fresher for longer periods. It's perfect for storing dry goods like beans, rice, and nuts, or even for preserving fruits and vegetables. The vacuum sealer removes the air inside the jar, preventing spoilage and keeping your food safe for storage. It's an easy-to-use gadget that helps you keep your pantry organized and your food fresher. Bench Scraper. If you enjoy baking, the Bench Scraper is going to be your new best friend. It's a versatile tool that's perfect for cutting dough, cleaning surfaces, and even chopping vegetables. This scraper is sturdy and easy to handle, making your baking and meal prep faster and more efficient. You can use it to scrape flour off the counter, divide dough, or even transfer chopped ingredients from your cutting board to your pan. It's an affordable, multi-use tool that every kitchen needs. Sliding Tray. We all know how frustrating it can be to have items in the back of your kitchen counter or cabinet that are hard to reach. With the sliding tray, this problem is solved. This clever gadget lets you easily slide out all your kitchen tools, pots, and appliances without any hassle. You'll be able to keep your kitchen neat and organized, and no more struggling to reach items buried in the back of your cabinets. Kitchen mats. Next up, let's talk about kitchen mats. If you spend a lot of time in the kitchen, you know how hard it can be on your feet and back to stand for long periods. These kitchen mats are designed to provide comfort and support while you cook, clean, or prepare meals. The cushioning helps reduce strain on your legs and back, making it easier to work in the kitchen for longer. Not only are they comfortable, but they also come in different designs to complement your kitchen decor. These mats are a small change that will make a big difference in how you feel during meal prep. Adjustable measuring spoon. Measuring ingredients just got way easier with the adjustable measuring spoon. If you're someone who loves to bake or cook but hates digging through drawers for the right measuring spoons, this gadget will change your life. The adjustable measuring spoon lets you measure multiple quantities with one spoon. You can easily adjust it to the exact amount you need, whether it's 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. It's a time saver and keeps your kitchen more organized. This is perfect for anyone who wants to save time and effort in the kitchen. Food storage containers. Now, let's talk about food storage containers. If you're someone who likes to keep your kitchen organized, these containers are essential. They come in all sizes, so whether you're storing leftover soup or dry goods like rice and pasta, you have the perfect container. The airtight lids keep your food fresh, and the clear containers make it easy to see what's inside. Plus, they stack neatly in your pantry or fridge, helping you make the most of your space. These containers are a kitchen staple for anyone who wants to stay organized and keep food fresh longer. Vegetable holder. And last but certainly not least, the vegetable holder. If you're someone who loves keeping fresh vegetables on hand, this handy tool helps you store them properly, keeping them fresh for longer. It's perfect for keeping everything from carrots to celery neat and organized in your fridge. No more wilting or wasted vegetables.